What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In today's review, we have the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi light switch. This light switch is dimmable and it is on sale. This is an Amazon deal. Usually is the daily deals that Amazon do. Kasa brand is usually there almost every day for the past couple of weeks from what I've been checking. Go ahead and snapshot how much I paid for it, and I will snapshot it and see if it's still on today's deals. If you want to schedule your lights to come on at a certain time, this is a product for you. If you want to change the brightness of your lights, this is a product for you. If you want to control this from anywhere, this is a product for you. So let's go ahead and open the box. As soon as we open the box, we have our caps for our wires. We have the product and little stickers to mark your wires, and download the Kasa app. Let's take a look at the product. All right, and here we go. All right, let's take the beauty cover off. Alright, it's not brand new no more. Alright, now what do we have here? Alright, so we have our green, which should be our ground wire. We have our white, which should be the neutral wire. They'll let you know, it tells you right there on the black squares. It will say ground, neutral, then you have load and line on here. Alright, now I am not an electrician. I'm gonna repeat that again. I am not an electrician. If you feel uncomfortable with doing electrical work, or if you're not sure about anything with electrical, go ahead and consult that with an electrician, licensed electrician. Also, if you have any doubts, do a little bit of studying and get yourself a book like this one. Right here is a Black & Decker wiring book, The Complete Guide to Wiring. This is a very big book, nice colors, and it shows you how to do everything. All right, and if not, you also have YouTube. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and put this in. All right, you guys, so this is serious right now. If you working on your electricity, please, this is called your electrical box. These are circuit breakers. You turn them off so you do not get electrocuted. Once again, go to your electrical panel. Turn the electrical off, okay? And you can do some electrical work. Let's get back to it. All right, you guys, so I know this is kind of like boring, blah, 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 when you are being taught to do something the right way. But before you go ahead and start thinking you can do everything, get yourself some tools. Right here we have a cobalt wire cutter, $8 from Lowe's, electrical tester. I think I did a review on this, I'm not sure. If so, again, I'll do another little quick 5 minutes on that. But right here you can hit the button and see if you have any electricity coming through, any voltage. So there's no voltage coming through. All right, this is how another way to test out if electricity is still coming. I'm gonna show you real quick. Okay, you guys, so to test out your tester to make sure it works, you can hold the button and put it into your socket, and then that's how you know electricity is coming through. Okay, you guys, this is a little bit hard to get up. Okay, snap right on out. All right, we are going to start with our neutral. Just gonna leave it like that for now. All right, neutral is in. Now we have our ground. We have our line, and then we have a load. I got 2 black wires, and to be honest, I don't know which one is line and load, so we're just gonna hook one on one and one on the other, and if it works, it works. If it don't, then I'll swap them. That should sound good enough, right? So we have our line, we have our load, and then we have our line. Line in, load out. All right, you guys, so in my situation, I know what the line is. I know what the neutral is and the ground. Now, when it's the line and the load, I don't know because both of them are black. So at times, you will have to guess. You can go ahead and mark your line. So our line is right here. So we just marked our line. All right, it even tells you right here, load out to the light. If you want to know the difference, load is going out, line is coming in. Stuff everything in, stuff it all in. I don't feel like using a screwdriver, so I'm gonna use my drill gun. Make sure you have your setting on low for the beginners, because you don't want to break your product. Oh, it says it right there. Arrow up, so this is the right way. Turn the electric back on. All right, you guys, so down here is your switch to turn it off and on. So you tap it once, it goes off. You tap it again, it comes on. Right here you have your brightness. So you see the dots, it decreases the brightness, and then over here is your increase, and you see the dots going up. So when I hit power off, the power turns off, and I still have my studio light on real quick. Turn this one off. All right, now we're black. The only light I have is my computer monitor. So I'm gonna turn the light back on again. Light is on. And let's go to brightness. We can bring up the brightness of the lights, as you can see, and dim the lights right there. You also can do 50% by quick taps on the top of it. 100%, 75, 50, 25. All right, now you could go to presets, and that's basically your presets of the little quick dot presets, of course. All right, X out of that. Schedule. You can schedule when you want your lights to come on, when you want the lights to come off, blah, blah, blah stuff. All right, you have a timer. So if you want it on for a certain amount of time, you can set a 30 minutes. Maybe you just streaming or something and you just want it on for like 30 minutes or whatever. It cuts off by itself. Let's go back, and you could put it away mode. All right, so away mode, once again, you can set your time, you can end the time, and you can do that, repeat it, or however you want to do it. All right, and other than that, settings, trying to figure out how to get Alexa. I know you can control this with Alexa, but I'll do that later. But that's basically it. Make sure you label your wires, so if you get a new switch or upgrade your old switch to the new switch or whatever, you know what wire is line and what wire is load. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of this review of the Kasa smart switch, dimmable smart switch. So if you are looking for any smart switches go ahead and check on Amazon's daily deals. Usually Kasa products is on there. And I will be reviewing more smart switches coming soon. So if you like this review, please leave a like, comment if you have any questions, concerns, and subscribe to the channel. More content on the way. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get notified when I drop more content. Catch y'all in the next review.